YouTube, Redrix here. How are you doing today? And thank you for clicking on today's video. So let's just jump straight into it. This is actually a little tutorial on how to get PlayStation Now for free for unlimited time. And before we continue on with this video, I'm actually live streaming on Twitch, so if you want to see me game some Tekken, Apex, some single player games, head over to Twitch and follow me. I'm streaming like once a week or twice even. The link will be in the description box down below. So first and foremost, you have to log into a new account. You will just have to randomly make a new email address and create a new account on your PlayStation. So as soon as you log into your new account, you'll have to sign up for the free 7-day trial on PlayStation Now. And after that, you can actually just select any games you want to download and play. Now, as soon as we are closing in the 7-day trial, you can actually just go ahead and unsubscribe right away if that's what you want, so they won't charge you. And then from there, you'll see there's a lock on the game that you've downloaded, so you won't be able to play the game right away. But don't worry, here comes the tricky part, is that you'll have to close the app where you have been downloading the game from the new account. Then you'll have to go to your main account and just go into the game that you've downloaded, and voila, you'll be able to play the game. And as soon as it expires, you'll just have to create a new account again with a new email, and voila, you can actually just play some new games if that's what you want. And that's basically it for today's tutorial video on how to get PlayStation Now for free. Unlimited time. Now let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions regarding this tutorial. And hey, let me know which game you're playing at the moment as soon as you done this tutorial and getting your free game. Ha! If you did like today's video, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll know when I upload my next video. And hey, remember that I'm live streaming on Twitch every week, so go ahead and follow me on Twitch to see some gameplay streams. The link is still in the description box down below. So thank you for today, and I'll see you next time. Peace!